morning. It is Wednesday, February 3rd, and I'm just going to go back to something that was in your Family Literacy Day packages last week. You don't have to pick one up to participate. We're making a little graph. What color are your mittens? So submit your answers to my email, kids@ngpl.ca, and we'll get you on this chart. And we're going to display it in the window so everybody can see it and add a little color to dark and snowy February. So February, my theme is hearts. So almost all of our activities are going to do something with hearts. So the first one today, and your packages will be available tomorrow, is heart art. So everybody will get a heart with a bunch of different shapes to make a collage for a Valentine. You can display it in your window, you can give it to somebody, but it's heart art today. And next week we're going to be doing some graphing with candy hearts. So I'll see you again next week for another Maker Moment. Bye.